Hello everyone, I'm Andre. Now I would like to give you some tips on how to save the video we recorded using the phone. Does not checking without any supporting tools such as stabilizer or tripod. First, hold the phone using your elbow and chest like this. Nah, make sure your elbow keep steady like this, and then if you want to move, make a movement, move your body, don't move your hand, it will be shaky. Second, elbow hold.
Because relying on distance of the hands, we can look for objects as a fulcrum for our elbow.
Third, frame per second, the setting from your phone.
The setting of FPS or frame per second in video recording is also important, so that the video that we record hand out or only using hand can look smooth, at least as minimal as possible using the 1080p and 60 fps setting. Or if you have all done it but it is still unstable, you can stabilize it with the Google Photo application like the following method.